See the next problem on orthogonal trajectories. This is very important problem. See. Find the orthogonal trajectories of family of coaxial circles x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0, where g is the parameter and c is only constant. C is not a parameter, only g is the parameter. It means that if you give different values for g, you will get different coaxial circles in this family. Okay. First write the given equation of the family once again. Given equation of the family of coaxial circles is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. Take it equation number 1. We should eliminate parameter g first. For that purpose, we should take the derivative with respect to x on both sides. Take derivative with respect to x on both sides. So what is the derivative for x square? It would be 2x, and derivative for y square is 2y into dy by dx plus derivative of 2gx. 2g is constant which is in product, so you can write as usually, and derivative of x with respect to x is 1. 2g into 1 is 2g only, and c is a constant, its derivative is also 0, is equal to 0. We are observing that from this, what is the value of 2g? Directly in the given equation, I will replace the value of 2g. That's why don't get cancelled 2 here. So transform this both terms to right hand side. You will get minus of 2x plus 2y into dy by dx. Okay, substitute this value in 1. Automatically parameter g will be eliminated. Now see. Now this equation becomes x square plus y square. The value of 2g is negative. That's why positive into negative is negative. 2g value is 2x plus 2y into dy by dx into x. X is there. Plus c is equal to 0. Okay. This can be written as x square plus y square minus 2x into x. Separate the terms. So you will get minus 2x square minus into plus minus 2y times of x is 2xy into dy by dx plus c is equal to 0. Take it equation number 2. Okay. So what is 2? 2 is called differential equation of given family 1. Okay, because this differential equation does not contain any parameter. That's why. Now I will replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy to get differential equation of required orthogonal trajectories. So this equation number 2 becomes, again, here we are observing that x square minus 2x square is minus x square, but y square is there. So first I will write y square minus x square. Here I am replacing dy by dx by minus dx by dy. So minus already is there. So minus of minus plus 2xy into dx by dy plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is called differential equation of required orthogonal trajectory. Now it is enough to solve this equation. There are many methods to solve this equation. Okay, one is you can reduce this equation into the form mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. If it is exact, then you can write the general solution directly, which gives the equation of required orthogonal trajectories. Otherwise, you have to find out the integrating factor by using various types of integrating factors. Otherwise, we can also reduce this one in the form of Bernoulli's equation, which is also one of the method. But among these all methods, I will give a simple trick to this one. See. First multiply with dy. Multiply with dy every term. So you will get y square dy minus x square dy plus 2xy dx plus c into dy is equal to 0. By observing carefully this equation, minus x square dy plus 2xy dx, these are same group terms. same group terms. So that's why I will write as 2xy dx minus x square dy. Okay, what are the remaining terms? Plus y square dy plus c dy is equal to 0. Now I will divide the entire equation with y square. It means that I will take integrating factor is 1 by y square. If you identify the same group of terms in this equation, you can easily tell what is the integrating factor. Okay, this is called inspection method. Now see here what happened. So 2xy by dx minus x square dy. You should take this is a single term. Okay, whole by y square plus y square by y square, y square by y square, y square by y square getting cancelled. You will get dy only. C by y square into dy is equal to 0. See here. Now we should observe the structure of this first term. Clearly, by using the division rule in the derivatives, we should conclude that this one is derivative of x square by y. This is the derivative of the term x square by y, because by using the division rule u by v, denominator whole square first, which is y square, and derivative for the numerator. Derivative for x square is 2x into dx and into v. So you will get 2xy dx minus now u into derivative for denominator. So that's why x square into derivative for the y is dy. This is called total differentiation concept. Okay, this is called total differentiation. Okay, by using this one you will get this. Identifying this structure is very important. Plus second term is dy, next term is c by y square into dy is equal to 0. Now I will take the integration on both sides. So integration of derivative of x square by y plus integration of 1 dy and integration of c is the constant term. So c into integral 1 by y square dy is equal to 0. Okay, we know that derivative and integrations are reciprocal processes to each other. That's why they get cancelled. You will get x square by y plus integral 1 dy is y and integration of 1 by y square is minus 1 by y. So you will get minus c by y. Integration is completed. That's why we should add the constant. Here I will add plus k is equal to 0. Okay, so don't add c again because already given family contains c here. That's why I am adding k as parameter. Okay, x square by y plus I will take the LCM here. What is the LCM? Y square is the LCM. So x square plus y square minus c plus ky is equal to 0. So x square plus y square, I will take k as 2f. I will put a name as k is equal to 2f because k is a parameter. You can take anything instead of k. So 2fy and minus c is there. Minus c is equal to 0. So this is the family of OT of given family of circles. Okay, in this way we can easily get the orthogonal trajectories of any given family in Cartesian coordinates. Thank you very much.